Delayed security logs are silent killers in a society. Even a few minutes delay can create blind spots, giving attackers the window they need to strike undetected. The core idea: with Microsoft Sentinel, you can use a single KQL query to check log freshness across all your critical data sources, from audit logs and syslog to CrowdStrike events. How it worked? This query compares the latest time generated for each log source against custom thresholds. If a source exceeds its limit, like 30 minutes for audit logs or 15 minutes for heartbeat, it flags it instantly. Why it's powerful? You can set different thresholds for different sources, cover dozens of log types in one run, and spot ingestion issues before they impact detection or compliance. I've used this exact approach in live Sentinel deployments to keep society teams ahead of data delays and ensure nothing slips through. Want the full KQL script and a cheat sheet of log thresholds I use in production? Download it free, or book a quick Sentinel health audit with me today.